Good morning, 6th grade. Today we're going to be reading your Math Crunch for November 20th. Okay. Question number 1. Identify which ordered pair would be located in quadrant 2. So I've drawn, remember, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Which one would be located in quadrant 2? Is it -4, 5, 2, 6, 3, -7, or -1, 4? Okay. Number 2. Identify the coordinates of the point shown below. So you have a picture of a coordinate plane. You have your coordinates plotted, and you see that little blue dot. What coordinate would that be? Would that be -5, 2? Would that be 2, -5? Would that be -5, -2? Or would that be -2, -5? Remember, it is always x and then y. Okay, always x first. That doesn't look like a y. Always x first, then y, okay? Number 3. No, it's not working. There we go. Number 3. On the graph below are different U.S. cities. Determine which city is represented by the point 5, -7. Which one is at 5, -7? Is that going to be Denver, Atlanta, Boston, or Phoenix? Denver, Atlanta, Boston, or Phoenix? Number 4. Determine the ordered pair for point E on the graph, and you'll see that E is sitting right on the line. Okay, E is sitting right on the line. So what is that going to be? 2, 0, 0, -2, 0, 2, or -2, 0? Number 5. On the graph below, Mr. Bradley is located at point C, and Mr. D is located at point D. Describe Mr. D's location in relation to Mr. Bradley's location. So Mr. Bradley is at point C, which looks like it's down here somewhere. Is down here, and then a little over and up is Mr. D. So describe Mr. D's location in relation to Mr. Bradley. So to get from Mr. Bradley to Mr. D, what would you have to do? Tell me how many over, how many up, in what direction. And then last one, number 6. In the graph below, identify the coordinates for each shape shown. Then determine which quadrant each shape is located in. So what you're doing is you have a yellow square, a blue pentagon, a green circle, and a red triangle. That's 4 things. So you're going to want to tell me, I don't think I have these colors. A red triangle up here, you have a green circle here, you have a blue pentagon here. Oh, blue doesn't work at my house apparently. There you go. And a yellow, I don't have yellow, a yellow square. Okay. You want to tell me the ordered pair for each shape. Where's the square located, the pentagon, the circle, and the triangle. And then you want to tell me which quadrant each one is in. Like, where does it sit? Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, or quadrant 4? And remember, it's written like this. Quadrant, that's a Q. Quadrant 1. Quadrant 2. Quadrant 3, because we use Roman numerals, and quadrant 4. Okay. So you're going to want to tell me what ordered pair, X, Y, where does each one sit? And then what quadrant does each one sit in? And that would be it. Good luck, 6th grade.